All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Quickly, I'm going to go into why Tesla was down today. First of all, I think it was because the NASDAQ was down. As you can see here from my chart, it was down about 0.5% today. But over the past 5 days, though, we're up almost 4.5%. So I'll take a little loss if it means that we're going to continue this uptrend. I still think the NASDAQ has quite a way to run. I mean, if we look at the past year, it's up 22.8%. I think next year won't be as big as this year, but I do still see it being positive. Maybe along the way there will be a correction. Okay, diving in to Tesla, and as you can see, literally on the money, 0.5% down. After hours, we're already up just a buck. And if you get into the technicals here, listen, I predicted kind of what was going to happen here. If we dive in deep, you can see I have this drawn out, right? I have this wedge drawn out, and look, right here, literally, major resistance. Could it break out tomorrow? Possibly. I think if tomorrow is bullish and the Santa Claus rally continues, we could break and really, we might finish around like 1120, 1125 tomorrow. It could break, and the next resistance is here, right? What also could happen is, sure, we get there, but then I think we do come back down. And until that big news comes out, again, we're gonna kind of do this, and then we'll eventually break to here. And if we have enough momentum, it's very common for Tesla to literally just maybe it goes like this for a bit on this 1220-ish range. You can see that's the previous top, right? So it could dance on that and then break to this 1330 range, right? My next price target would be between, if it does break this blue line here around 1330, would be between 1600 and 1500. So anywhere in between these two, that's where I could kind of see it going. I'll just kind of make a little line here. It could just go, and if it breaks through, it could hit this, or it could kind of like waver in here and then come back down. It's just the Santa Claus rally. There's a lot of positivity in the market. Other than this Omicron situation, which, I don't know, they're saying it's less severe, so I wouldn't get too worried about that. If there is any little pullback, it's going to be small. I do think we're going to test 1125, 1110, and that'll be a little bit of a battle line there. And if we can break 1220, if we can't, we might waver in this blue a little bit, test 1220, and then break to this 1500 marker. I don't know, when the numbers come out about deliveries, when a good earnings comes out. But again, I've said here, I really like that we're not. So what I've said is this previous high acts as support, right? So we're not even getting close to that. So that's very good news. And I honestly think this 1050, it's going to act like major support. And I said that last time. We'll see what happens if we do get there. But it's going to take something pretty drastic, I think, to have to get back down to this like 930, 890 range. Like I just cannot picture that happening. So, and if it does hit that, I think it'll bounce off that really quickly. Wedbush, an analyst, sees the stock at 1400. Tesla stock was up 1.4% in Tuesday's pre-market, trading after a Wedbush analyst raised his target to 1400, citing the clear pivot to electric vehicles and the company's dominance of that as reasons for his optimism. So his previous price target was 1100, and he said his bull case for next year is 1800, and that kind of lines up with mine too, 1800 to 2000. So I like where this guy's head's at. The analyst sees the automaker delivering 1.4 to 1.5 million vehicles in 2022, and them improving profitability. So I don't know. I like what is happening here. It's kind of, anytime this stock is above 1,000, it makes you feel comfortable. If it drops below, great buying opportunity. And, I'm very bullish still, obviously.